Morning, guys. June 27th, 2025. So anyway, I got an air conditioning job that I got to go back to. I was over there the other day and it was all iced up. Lady had called me. Looks like it's a newer Bryant system, and she did an addition, and she's got the air handler up on in that addition part. I think it's a filter problem. Either that or it's low on gas or a lower motor, because the system was all iced up when I went over there. She called me at night, and I went by there in the morning, and she left it running all night, and it was like a flipping ice cube outside. So I just pulled the disconnect, and definitely a 410A system. So I got to go back over there. It's been, a day or so. And it's been cool here. I've been doing other shit I've had scheduled, so I gotta go back over there, climb up in the attic, and find out if the fan's working. If the fan's working, I gotta check the filter, see if what size filter it is. Maybe run out, get her some filters, and then run it and check the charge outside. Could be a leaker. She's related to the daycare. One of the lady who owns the daycare. She's one of the kids for the grandkids for the daycare lady. So the daycare is one of my better customers now. So I try to take care of them if they call me, if there's any issues there, and people related to them call me and whatnot. So you got a good customer, you got to kind of try to stick with them, right? They come and go. Good customers come and go, and you get new ones. I mean, it's just how it is. Anyway, we'll get you some shots over there if I can. Nice and cool today. Probably only like 70 to 72, something like that. Cool on. It's still on. I don't hear the fan running. Might be a fan issue. Hydro air unit. They did a nice job on it. I bet you that filter's dirty. Fan's running, I could hear it. I don't see any water in the pan. It's a Bryant 208. Looks like a little 18. Ton and a half. Anyway, we gotta see if there's a filter in there. Oh, I see a filter there. That ain't good. The filter out. Yeah. 623. Yeehaw! I bet it's a fucking leaker. That's not up. 13. Wow, that's a weird size. Oh yeah, they're flipping fur coat, mama. That's a weird size, 13 by 21 and a half by 1. I bet you that's what it was. We got one here. That's going in. That's a washable one. Nothing wrong with that. We'll just use that. If it fits. Yeah, it's spring loaded. Yeah, what's wrong with that, Mama? I think that's gonna fit. I'm not sure. Alright. I'll get some more filters. That's probably what the problem is. I'll get her some. I'm surprised there's not any more up here. I'll have to check the charge outside. That's probably all it was, I'm thinking. Filter is. She's a fur coat, Mama. I'll leave this downstairs for her so she can see. That's a weird size. She kicked back in. I got that washable filter in there for now. I did pull the disconnect the other day. It's a weird size. I don't even see any. Yeah, what's the model on it? I think it's an 18. It's a ton and a half. It's relatively new. Let's start it up and see. I did flip this around. We'll put our gauges on it. Calls for 14, I'm at 16. That's fine. It's probably right where it charges where it needs to be. Looks good. I'm fine with that. 14 within 3 and a subcooling, we're fine. It was just a filter. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it at 72. Doesn't need to be any lower than that. So it's on automatic and cooling. I don't know, well, the batteries seem to be okay.